Hey everybody, I wanted to share with you Luicd Chart. It is pretty cool and it's pretty fast. So when I was teaching, I would often want to pull together some sort of visual aid or a Venn diagram for students to work on while I was talking. And this is a super fast way to pull together what you would like. And I used to get so frustrated that it would take forever to build this in PowerPoint or whatever drawing program I had access to. Let me show you a couple of these. Here's the mind map one, which is what I've used, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But this is fantastic for pulling your ideas together on a specific project. And then education has all of the typical ones we see online that we're always trying to modify because they usually come up as PDFs, but here they're completely editable. So it's fantastic all the way down there. So unfortunately not a free product. I think it's $5 a month or $30 for the year, but kind of what I was thinking is if you kept the samples of these that you wanted to make during the year or during the semester and then just bought it during the summer, you could create all of the ones you needed for the next year and then eventually have it if you didn't want to spend the money to have it, or you just maybe your district would buy it when you're teaching, or maybe you just decide to buy it. Sometimes I just pay for things because it's faster to have access when I need it than to not. So I hope that's helpful.